People of God, good morning. I stand here not to inflame, but to name a wound that will not heal until it is honestly seen. A court in Abuja handed a popular Igbo man, a freedom fighter, a life sentence. Life after a long, bitter trial for terrorism-related charges. Many of you watched, some of you wept, some of you asked, how can a man who, by many accounts, did not point a gun at anyone be dealt the harshest hammer of our law? The world watched. Journalists from Reuters, AP, Al Jazeera, and The Guardian reported the verdict and the facts of the conviction. Brothers and sisters, ask yourself this. When bandits, terrorists, and militias sweep across villages, paying people, kidnapping, burning homes, what does our government do? We have seen negotiations, amnesties, pardons, local peace deals, and in some instances, reintegration of fighters back into communities and even security structures. Reports and country analyses have documented these complex and controversial arrangements across regions. So why is it that a man who led a movement for self-determination is treated differently from others who have spilled blood, who have terrorized communities? This is not a question of law alone. This is a question of conscience. How do we preach? Nigeria is one. A refrain repeated by our leaders down the years, while entire peoples feel they are being punished for being visible. How is one true when members of certain communities are routinely targeted, intimidated, or economically strangled? International reports have documented unlawful killings and abuses in the southeast and evidence of intimidation and targeted attacks against Igbo communities. Injustice wears many faces. Sometimes it comes dressed as mercy, pardons, and reintegration given to those who strike terror in other regions. Other times it comes dressed as severity, life imprisonment given to voices that rise and say, we are being harmed. That difference smells of partiality. That difference tells a story of a nation not yet reconciled to equal justice. Our scriptures teach, learn to do good, seek justice, correct oppression. Isaiah 1 verse 17. Justice is not selective. It does not pick winners. A justice that is partial is not justice at all. It is politics wearing a robe. To my Igbo brothers and sisters, I see your pain. I hear of traders attacked in markets, of businesses targeted, of families living in fear. European and human rights assessments have documented intimidation and violence that cannot be hushed away. And to those who shout one Nigeria, let your words be measured by your deeds. Former leaders and national figures have spoken of unity, but unity built on unequal treatment is brittle. It will crack under pressure. Some have said we must be one, but not one Nigeria at any cost, meaning unity must be just. What do we ask for today? Not for vengeance, not for escalation, but for equal application of law, for accountability that knows no tribal cost, and for national healing that treats every citizen as sacred. Let our prayers move our leaders from rhetoric to action. Transparent investigations, independent oversight, protection for livelihoods, and a determined pursuit of justice for victims across all regions. If we are to be a people under God, then let truth be spoken plainly. Let fairness be the plank we walk on. Until justice is equal, the phrase Nigeria is one will remain a hymn sung by the hopeful, not a reality felt by the many. May God give us courage to call injustice by its true name and wisdom to walk the slow, hard road to repair.